Let's do some warm-up catching. Come on, Gopesh, stay away each other. Stay away at least 10 feet each other. Gopesh.
Hi.
Good job.
I know it's gonna
Hit the
swing
ball
back.
to the stump, okay? Hit the ball to the stump. Vihan, run, judge the ball, go below the ball. Well try. And hit every time when you are done with the catching, hit the stump, okay? Ishan, run, go below the ball. Beautiful boy. Gopesh, run, go below the ball. Judge yourself.
Sean, go get the ball.
Beautiful.
Sean, go get
Hit the stump, hit the stump. Gopesh,
What?
leave it. Just do a fielding.
Sean.
Ishan, Vihan, catch it. Bad catch. You gotta go behind.
Sean, go get the orange ball.
Okay, listen. Judge, go below the ball, Vihan, okay, properly. Take the catch a little bit away from you, not too close to the body. Good catching. Hey, what are you doing? All right, let's do some more catching. This time you might be running a little bit.
Fine.
Okay, Vihan, you run and catch. Judge yourself. Good try. Come on, Ishan, you try. Run fast below the ball.
Gopesh, where are you going?
Good job. Gopesh, if he's catching, you go behind him. If he misses the catch, or at least the fielding part, you can take care. Vihan. Good job, boy. Stay away. Catch the ball away from the body, okay? Not too close. Beautiful running, beautiful judgment.
What a shot. I can't catch that.
Run behind the ball first. See, first thing you're learning is the judgment. Come on. Ishan. Run, go below the ball first. Beautiful. See your finger. Ishan, open the hand wide.
I did.
No, you did not. Open the hand wide again. Run. Good. Gopesh. 1, 2, 3. What is happening?
I was running away. Why'd you run?
Chalo. Come on, Gopesh. Run below the ball first. Judge. Good job. Still not a good catch because you're hitting the fingers in the middle. Ishan.
Oh, Gopesh, move. Gopesh.
I came behind you. How is that goal versus ball?
Look, you keep your eye on the ball, not on Gopesh. Gopesh is saving himself. You are catching the ball. What is this, Vihan? Open the hand like Gopesh. What he's teaching you. Open the hand like him. Gopesh. Okay, Vihan. It's very high, but catch it. Go below the ball.
I need the back to run out. No. Leon.
Good. Come on. Again, next. Vihan, you have to catch this ball.
Yes, yours, behind.
Run below the ball. Vihan. Come on, let's do power hitting.
Good shot. I like that one.
Okay, you stay in this parallel. Okay, so that I know where I need to throw the ball. You are hitting a straight, don't hit this side.
Good shot. I
Good.
love it.
Angle is not up. Leave it. No, don't go too far, otherwise I can't reach you. Go closer. You have a little more.
Good shot. I like it.
Hit higher so that it goes up. Not going, huh? More closer, little. Good. Better than Ishan. Good. Same like Ishan.
What a shot.
Good. Good. It passed.
Awesome.
Did it pass, Ishan?
I like you're
Ishan,
not
run, collect the ball.
in the air, but you're trying to hit in the ground. That's amazing. That reaches, you get the
Ishan, run and collect the ball, I said.
field also, this kind of ball.
Come on.
If you hit in the air, that doesn't travel fast.
Come on.
It goes up in the air and then people will catch it.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
And again, keep in
Beautiful.
mind, these are all like baseball balls.
It's cross.
Cricket balls don't
No?
look like much time.
What's wrong with this? See, you are getting the power of hitting of 6. Which is good.
You more harder.
Nice. Ooh. Ishan, you have to run.
What the?
Beautiful. Nice. See, the power is coming when the swing is more. Look. Yesterday it was not swinging that way, right? Today is swinging. Good.
What a shot. What a shot on the ground.
Nice.
Look at that. These are all posts, okay? Look, they are touching the
Nice. Uthao, angle uthao. Yeah.
shot.
Yeah, it crossed. Let me cross, okay?
You got like how many? Oh, you got that. Come on.
Okay, let's go near to the net and hit. He is going too far. We need more players. Be more near, more near. Come more near. Just hit it in the net.
Good shot.
Good. Good. Beautiful. Nice. Good. See, when the ball you are picking around here is going the further.
What a shot. What a shot. Okay. So 2-2 guys, I get you like very
Wait.
shot. Hit it in the air, okay? These are all tennis balls. Let's see how air
Good.
you can open your blade and then let's see.
Good.
You don't need to be whatever you think you can.
Good. All right. Oh, one more.
I'm gonna try to reach as far as you can.
Good. Hey Ishan, what is the target, Ishan?
Like
Hit above the pole, okay? Or like, let's see how far we can reach to the pole. You understand, right? What I'm trying to say. You wanna learn some English
Just
here?
your body. Wow.
that's fine. This is
Look, one thing remember.
this side.
When you're learning, do not try to say what. Oh, what? Okay?
Making it harder.
Chalo, start karna. So you stand
6-1.
your feet around, not on this one. Stand around it so that you hit it above the net. Okay? Above the net.
Yeah.
Stretch yourself. See like how you can hit it. All the way.
7-1.
All the way. All the way. Just do a couple of
7.
times.
3-3 guys.
So
3
you
more.
know what you're supposed to do. Let's see how far it goes.
Huh? Uh-huh.
Chalo.
7. Look.
Still very far.
Shouldn't that be a little
What a catch, bro. What a catch. 8. Beyond.
Ah, this is the
Good
good.
catch.
Almost going. It's better than last 3 days. See, so if the bat angle is low, then it will
Adjust.
hit the net.
Ooh.
Good.
Sorry.
Chalo. Good. Chalo.
But you had some
Good.
room to run.
Chalo. Good.
That's cotton ball.
Okay.
No,
Beyond.
I mean,
you have to hit it in the angle.
If you can.
Good.
Oh, sorry.
So you understand this part. What we are learning? If you hit in an angle, ball will go in an angle. If you hit it here, it's too far. It's gonna go up in the air. If you hit in the different angle, it's gonna hit the net, which is good. But you know that if what angle you have to hit. You understand this part?
Okay.
Yeah.
That.
Understand this part? See what you are doing. You are trying to hit from here. You
One
are
last,
not
guys.
taking an
This is
arch
the last
like
one,
this.
okay?
Take a big arch like show me in the
wanna
live
make it
slow
big.
motion. Yeah, slow motion. It has to be
What a catch.
push it
Yeah,
up
what a catch.
and then swing it all the way up. You will learn the coordination of your hand, belly,
That last one.
rotation of the much better.
The ball was so high. You should adjust. Okay,
Much
take a
better.
sip of water and then we will
Tired?
try different ones.
Wait, what we're gonna do batting then?
My warm up.
No, we will try. Come on.
Huh?
Yeah, you and we can do the big shot here. Come on.
Bad.
Sip of water
Don't
and come
put
here.
wrong
I'll
shot.
throw here. We can throw this. We can hit it
Come on.
this side. Come on.
Oh, I need my bat.
Huh? Oh, this. Okay. Take your bag. Oh, I need like. Any ducky?
Okay, you are done. Come on, let's go get the ball. Chalo. Gopesh, you get ready. You also run, Gopesh. Get the ball. Chalo. Let's run and hit the ball to the net. Chalo Daksh, ready? Which shot you are playing today?
Pull shot.
Move the wicket little this way. You are going the hitting the offside cuts, okay?
Offside cut to Dakshi. This is all offside cuts for you.
Yeah. Chalo, come on.
Okay?
And where you are hitting? Hitting that side, yeah? Let's see. Come little more. Don't stay next to the wicket. Good, beautiful.
Full body weight ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Hit it. No,
Offside.
this side, only this side. If the ball is bad, leave it. Leave it. If the ball is bad, leave it. Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet.
Dakshi, okay.
Move your feet.
Focus there.
This way.
Okay. Come to the stance every time. Come back to your stance as if you're playing in the cricket, the main game, okay? Come back to your position and then hit it. Every time, every single time. Come back to the...
Good.
Come back fast. Time illa.
Okay. What the hell you are doing? Two of you over there. Ishan,
Guys.
you need one guy there, one guy far, right? What is this chatting here?
Yeah. One person is here. Okay, one person here. I'm here. Yes.
Gopesh, get that ball and throw to the net. Where are you hitting?
Offside.
Move the wicket this one little bit. Yeah, no, stay there. That's fine. Leave it.
Come to stand, Dakshi.
Why you are so close to the stand? Cut it.
Yes, that's what we need to do.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Yes.
Hit it. Wait for the ball.
Yeah. What a shot, man. See, that's what. This is the rhythm we need.
Oh!
Yep.
Oh! Catch it, Goku!
It's good. Open that offside. Open your body to offside. That's okay. Your attack is good. It's okay. Ready. Wait for next buddy.
Gopesh, you are next. Cut it only offside. Hold on.
Yeah, it's not a cut.
Yeah, so you catch mine, but you don't catch duck shit.
Come on. Go near to the ball. Where are you going?
We should not let the ball go through it.
Good shot.
Very good shot. Yeah.
Idhar aata.
What a shot, bro.
See, this is how you hit in the gap.
Good catching, Ishan.
Not talking, Ishan. Rihan.
Nah, Ishan, don't make excuses. You're just bad.
Ishan, not talk.
What a fielding.
Throw. Roll, Muddy.
What a fielding.
Go to. This is the back fielding. Go.
Beautiful.
What is this?
Beautiful boy. This you are playing like a champion. Beautiful. cuts are amazing good. Amazing, amazing good. मार जोर से.
I don't care if you're not ready or not. Ducks, I don't care if you're not ready. Go get the ball.
Nihan, your job is to wait for the ball, no talking. We are building the team here, okay? Building the team by learning,
Four-man team.
by playing together.
No.
Especially Ishan and you guys need to set the switch on watching you guys. Learn from you.
I am.
Go a little closer.
Then we just.
Jan is late to the ball.
Good shot. Very good shot.
Leave it, leave it. All right, let's do some pull. Come on, yeah.
You weren't even recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Wow.
Come on, go back, get the 2 balls. Get the 2-3 balls here. Good job. Come on, Vihan, you are hitting good. Hit it, see how far it goes. Good job, come on.
Catch, bro.
Oh my God.
I told you, right? Adjust your body. See, it's good shot, Vihan. You are doing exceptionally good. Come on.
Can you just put my pad back on? This pad is like broken.
Yeah, we have your own pad, but you don't listen, you know. You want something from your brother. Come on, go.
These ones are lighter.
Run. We don't have too much time. Come on, run. Go base, collect these balls and move it here at least. Come on, Vihan. See, you understand which ball you have to hit. Okay, let's see. Come on. I know it's tiring, huh? All right, maybe 2-3 more and that's it, you are done. Then you can unpad up, okay? Too wide. Good, good job.
Fielding at least.
Come on. We need a. Chalo, all done. Let's go. You're done, Vihan. Good job. Very good job.
Dad, can I put it?
All right. Let's see how you do it.
Fielding guys, fielding. Every single ball we need to block it.
Stand here. Come on, go Pesh, go. One guy go that side. Ready? Let's see how many balls you hit, Ishan. Only leg side. Okay?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, ready, fielder?
Oh yeah, we are ready.
Vihan, you come a little forward.
Guys, this is the boundary line. Right line.
Beautiful shot, boy.
What a shot. What a shot.
Vihan, you gotta go run the goal. Run behind. What a shot, Ishan. You are kicking ass today. Oh, man. Amazing. See, all the fielders are back now. Awesome.
Anybody gonna catch that?
What a shot! What a shot, boy! Come on. Hit harder, hit harder. Let the ball come to you. Beautiful shot, boy. No.
Wait.
Okay. See, now you are hitting really hard and really nice. This is how you play like a U13, like a champ. Come on, see, all the fielders are gone. Come on.
I still hit over you, Gopesh.
Now there is no risk. Come on. What a shot! What a shot! Look at
Who's
it!
catching that? I don't doubt
Look at the shot! Look at the shot!
Okay, so run here now. Beauty, shot your head. Attack!
Awesome, Gopesh! Good job! He already made couple of fours by now.
Yeah, I know, but he catches.
Rakshi, you gotta run! Hit it! What a